Good morning. Coming to you from Ghana. Just learned yesterday that there is a new form that should be filled out in order to have the travel document to go to Ghana. So if you did the Ghana Health Service form already and you ended up with a piece of paper that has a QR code that is a travel certificate, you should be able to use that form. But I want to share with you the new link. And so I'll share my screen. And this is called the Trusted Traveler website. And the link will be with the copy of this recording. So if you don't have an account, you'll have to sign up and create an account. I already have one, so I will sign in. And so once you get to this portal, then you're going to go to digital test results and you click that link. And then you'll scroll down here where it says upload vaccine record. Now, with uploading this record, it allows you to enter Ghana without a COVID-19 PCR test, as well as testing upon arrival. So once you have the vaccine, you do not have to test. If you do not have the vaccine, then you have to pay for PCR testing 48 hours within your departure to Ghana, and then you have to also prepay for a test upon arrival once you get to the airport. So here you upload your vaccine record, and then you select type. It's going to be for self. You submit, and then you put in the country. So for us, it's United States. And then the pathogen that we're going to select, of course, is going to be the SARS. And you select that, and then you hit next. So now it gets a little confusing. You have to go and find the vaccination shot you took that fits your profile. And so for fully vaccination for Pfizer, which is what I had, is 2 shots. So I'm going to scroll down until I find the Pfizer 2 shots. So you see Moderna. So here, I'm going to do this one, the 2-shot profile, and you see Pfizer in parentheses and hit select. Now, if you had Moderna, you would select that. If you had a 1-shot dose of J&J, you would select that one. You hit next. Now you have to put in your information. So I have my vaccination card, and now I'm going to put in the batch number. The manufacturer is Pfizer, and then the vaccination date. So you click the calendar and you have to go all the way back to the month you had your first shot. So in my case, it was February 2021 on the 20th. And now I'm going to do the second batch. The manufacturer, Pfizer, and then the vaccination date, which is the vaccination date is, oh, I have to go to 21, sorry. So March 20th, so that was 3 weeks later. So my vaccination card has no number on it, so I'm gonna leave it blank. Now it's asking me to upload, so I have to choose a file. And here's my vaccination record, and then I'm gonna hit upload. And next I'll hit save. So here it is, my vaccination certificate. and it has all my information on there. You can print this pass, you can download this pass, and they also have an app that you can download where you can also have it on your phone. So, unfortunately, this is a new development that just happened a couple of days ago. And so, if you have not already created your travel certificate, then here is what you'll have to do now. And so I hope everybody sees that. And I'm glad we caught it in time. So when you get to the airport, you're not just going crazy trying to figure out how to complete this portal. So if you have any questions, just reach out to me, Kentucky7 at yahoo.com.